That wasn't on before. Yeah, that wasn't on before. Alright, now try it.
Oh, this shit's gonna work.
Oh my god! Putting it in a good position, it'd be some shit if it didn't start right now. So, let's fucking see if we can start it on the first go, which doesn't always happen. Button work, please. Damn!
No, for some reason.
Pop the trunk? Because it's possible. Fuck around and let the... Just when we thought we solved our issue. This is what the Civic life does. If we could get it to start, that would be great. Nothing.
It's not even a little bit.
Full moon sky, do you want to be my friend? So up high, can you keep a little secret?
We're gonna try to put some gas in it. No way that it's the gas, but you know.
It has to be gas. Well, it doesn't have to be, but that's the only thing that makes sense. Nothing happened overnight.
Yeah. We're thinking it's gas. We're stupid, so it's a legitimate possibility. We'll be back. What the?
Can I go down here?
I don't think so.
Oh, yeah, look, there's a sign. 2-way.
Yeah. We're driving on the wrong side of the road completely.
Huh?
What? Content.
Why does my maintenance light keep popping up when I start my car? Are they good, man?
Time to find out how fucking dumb we are.
Hopefully they ain't got no gas in it. Hopefully.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Start this bad boy. This kid can really stop it to feed the birds. At a time like this, I'm in fucking distress. Oh, nothing. God damn it. Damn it. How did that happen? Okay. That was weird. Okay. Try the button again. Okay, maybe it's our button in our splice. And it started with the key. Okay. Okay. Maybe we do need to get a legitimate wire. Maybe we need to check something with the button.
Yeah, I heard that shit in the back.
Maybe. maybe our button's fucked up. It's either not
How?
strong enough, or maybe we burnt the fucking button out.
Can you do that?
But the fact that it's still trying to turn over though.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, makes sense. It legit would not work at all a second ago. So the button not working means it's the starter's fine, right?
The starter's most likely fine. Maybe the connection from the starter to the battery is fucked up, or the ground wire is fucked up. I think.
To the battery?
Yeah, from the starter to the battery, because there's two wires from the starter. There's the starter to the ignition, and there's a wire from the starter to the ignition and a wire from the starter to the battery. And
Probably on the battery end, because I know for sure the wire on the starter's fine, because I did it, and before we replaced it, it was still fucked up. So it wouldn't be on the starter end. You know what I mean?
I mean, it could be the starter to the battery. Because I mean, it consistently, every time we try to crank it, like you hear the click. So it's, and we bypass the ignition with the button.
Last time you saw us, we were working on the switch for the starter. It took us quite a while because we're idiots, and ended up working out though. So here it is. Looks pretty fucking legit, if you ask me. But that took us quite a while, because, yeah. Here we go. Just to let you see it work. Bam. First try every time. After that, we did a quick oil change. Wasn't really quick, it's a pain in the fucking ass. That filter was up there, coated everything down there. During that, we noticed the O2 sensor wires were cut. That's why we were getting the reading from the diagnostics bullshit you plug in, and still have to do that. What the fuck am I doing? After the oil change, you will see me adding the 2 SI badges, one on the grill, one on the back. That also took me a minute too, because you know, that's how it goes. And also the side markers, I guess you'd call them, on the fenders. Wired those bad boys up. That's about it really. So let's get into it.